Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware and permissions so troubleshooting is effective. Plug in or test your microphone, then set it as the default input device. This prevents Windows from listening to an inactive source. Once done, open Settings and run the speech troubleshooter to detect basic configuration errors and driver mismatches. Make sure microphone access is enabled in privacy settings so the OS can receive audio. These steps remove common blockers and give you diagnostic feedback to act on next. Now you tackle software layers that commonly cause recognition failures. Open Device Manager and update your audio and chipset drivers. Outdated drivers often misroute audio. Restart the Windows Audio and Speech Runtime Services to reset audio pipelines. This refresh can clear locked resources. Next, install pending Windows updates and optional driver packages because system patches frequently improve speech models and compatibility. If you use USB microphones, try different ports or a powered hub since power issues can distort input. Finish by calibrating and verifying recognition with real tests. Run the microphone setup wizard and complete speech recognition training so Windows adapts to your voice and reduces errors. Then test in Voice Recorder, the speech recognition app, and any target apps to confirm consistent results. If performance is still poor, roll back recent driver updates or use system restore to a point before issues began. This often undoes problematic changes. Troubleshooting tip: if recognition fails intermittently, try a different user profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.